Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print your Google contact list. So firstly open your Google contact list, open new tab and click on these dots, and here select contacts. Now here guys you will see a list of contacts. Just click on this print icon. Also you can export your contact, but you want to print, so just click here, this printer icon. Here select your contact list or label, then just click on print. Now here select your printer, pages and layout. Also here you can customize and modify settings as your need. Like you can change the paper size, pages per sheet, margins, scale and options. So you can add or remove header footers. You can add or remove background graphics by select here and in the last just click on print. So this is the way guys you can print your Google contact list. Thanks for watching.